Yes, guys, crypto boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all crypto bosses. That's the agenda of this channel, to make everybody financial free and be crypto bosses. Crypto has changed my life, and I'm here to help you guys change yours with the daily crypto information, so you guys are always on the pulse of the next big trend. Guys, we're here together. I'm not here to show you no Bybit links. I'm not here to show you no courses. I'm not paid or mandated to do none of these videos. So you're getting the pure value. All right, guys. So, Solana, some big things going on today. But before we get into that, we'll get into the news of today. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin charts, guys. So, we broke this 20,000 support and we came a lot down, and now we're going to looking to hit that 20k resistance. If we break that 20k resistance, then potentially we can go up to the 22 to 23. Personally, I feel like we're going to struggle. I feel like we've got not enough volume coming in, guys, and with the macro economics, with inflation and what the Fed's doing with quantitative tightening, I just can't see us breaking. I can't see us bullish right now, guys. I'm still going on what I said. You know, as I say, you stand for something. If you don't stand for something, you fall for everything. And I still believe that we're going to 10k, guys. And when I say 10k, it's not 10k next week, 10k next month. This could be like a long rest of the year, guys. Could be the rest of the year. As long as the Fed doesn't pivot, we're going to bounce around these regions and go lower. If the Fed pivots and we go from quantitative tightening to quantitative easing, then we're not going to see no movement. So we just got to watch out what's going on the macro level and look at the charts and look at all the crypto news. But to be honest, crypto news isn't moving nothing right now, because we're in a bear market, bear trend, bear market. We zoom out, go on the weekly charts, we are in a bear trend, right? All this up and down movements within a few hours, a couple of days, doesn't take us out a bear market. It just puts us in a bullish trend. Like right now, you can see we're in a bullish trend from yesterday. Okay, so it's just a trend. Trends get broken. From a bull market to a bear market is more than just a broken trend. All right, guys, so we just have to keep our wits about us. If we're going to do any longs or any shorts, that's up to you guys. Right now, I'm just watching the market and dollar cost averaging in, not particularly doing any trading at the moment. Okay, moving on. Let's have a look at the bubbles. Let's have a look at the bubbles, guys. See what's going on with the crypto bubbles, baby. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision is up 42%. Okay. I don't know what's going on there, but okay. It's green. Theta, my little baby, is up 13%. ApeCoin, 26%. That's ApeCoin, guys, is going to be a nice little. That is your Doge. That's your Dogecoin. I predict ApeCoin will be your Dogecoin for 2013-14. So it's definitely that kind of meme coin that we need to look out for. I personally, our dollar cost average in. Yeah, Doge and a Shiba. It's between Doge. It's like a Doge and a Shiba together. That's our new people's meme NFT. Bit of fun coin. Sol up 23%. I am actually surprised that Sol's up from the news, what we've got today with Solend, sorry. But yeah, we'll move on to that now. But first, let's have a bit of bullish news. So, first, Bitcoin ETF in the USA, very bullish, but it's a futures ETF, so it's not as bullish as a spot ETF. So, yet another future-based Bitcoin ETF is set to launch in the United States, but with no spot ETF in sight. Guys, we're all waiting for a spot ETF, but that's not even going to save the market right now. People are on risk off investments right now. It's not going to change just right now. But yeah, any good news is a good news in the crypto space anyway. ProShares, the leading Bitcoin ETF provider in the USA, has announced that it will launch the country's first short-linked Bitcoin ETF on Tuesday. This will allow investors to gain short exposure to the leading cryptocurrency. Okay, any news is good news, so respect to that. This is a funny one. Elon Musk is not playing no games. So, if you don't know what's going on with Elon Musk, basically, right now, some guy or corporation, I think it's a team of people behind him, because one guy, it's very hard to sue the richest man in the world for hundreds and something billion, plus all his companies. Just being one man is going to cost a lot of money. So I reckon a couple of whales have got together and wants to sue Elon Musk because he was shilling Dogecoin, and these entities, people, has lost money. Guys, it's freaking ridiculous. How can you sue somebody no one made you buy? And this is what I'm telling you guys as well. And honestly, this is the main reason why I'm doing this channel, to help you guys as well, and to give the information, because I've lost a lot I've made millions from crypto, but also getting to making millions, I lost a lot of money from influencers shilling me certain projects, and I'm like a fool just jumping into them. So just be careful, guys, of influencers, business people, celebrities shilling your coins. Don't just jump into a coin because someone's talking about it, please. So yeah, this guy wants to sue Elon Musk for shilling Dogecoin, which is pretty ridiculous. But this is funny. Elon Musk tweeted yesterday, "I will keep supporting Dogecoin." Now, I was predicting that Dogecoin was going to fall a lot. It was going to lose a lot of value. But this helped, obviously, Elon Musk, because without Elon Musk, there's no Dogecoin. Let's be real. So this is just, that's why Dogecoin, I think, how much is it up? Doge, where is it? Doge, 6% today. Okay, so not down, they're up. So that's probably why. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so the big news of the day. Okay, guys. So basically, there's a protocol on Solana called Solend, right? So Solend is a lending platform. So this is crazy. I cannot believe that this is so-called crypto decentralized and companies can get away with this. So I'll tell you what they did shortly. So anyway, so this person, he's lended about 108 million from this DeFi protocol. And he had to put up 170 million worth of Solana, and he got back 108 million worth of USD to do what he wants to with it. So it's just a loan. This is what DeFi is like. DeFi is for just loaning, borrowing, and lending. Okay, so long story short, at $22, he would have got liquidated. So if he would have got liquidated, that is a big liquidation, because they have to obviously sell the assets that they got to pay back off the loan, right? So for this protocol that the lending is on, it's a lot for a liquidation. It would really cause a big effect into that ecosystem, and also trickle down to Solana. It could really crash Solana. So because this protocol has a DAO, so a DAO is basically how you have voting rights, but on these votes, the majority shareholder of this coin had 99% of the shares. So he was 99% of the freaking votes anyway. So they voted, freaking crazy, guys. They voted to go into this guy's wallet, seize his crypto, and sell it on a over the counter. So if they sell it over the counter, pay off the loan, then it wouldn't affect the market because it's over the counter. It's not on the books. It's not going to affect anything. Okay. So this has been passed, guys. This is literally being passed. So this guy is going to look at his wallet and all his money is going to be seized and they're going to pay off the loan over the counter so it doesn't affect the market. Okay, so yes, this is good for the market, but guys, this is the reason why we're in crypto. So you can't seize our coins, but you're seizing coins. This is not cool. I am not happy with this. This is not cool. I personally didn't get in cryptocurrency to be having some DAO seize my coins. So not cool and not happy with this situation, but it's a situation that's happening. But it just shows that just be careful, guys. Be careful out there. Be careful in these DeFi projects. Either way, guys, I've always said my strategy, and this is for 9 years I've been in cryptocurrency. My strategy is make money on these hype coins, meme coins, DeFi, NFTs, trends, and get it back into Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's how we're going to win this game, guys. Play a little bit about, on your DeFi and your staking and your farms, but on a macro level, we need to be stacking these stats, baby. Stacking these stats, baby. All right then, guys. If you liked all the value that I give you today, all I do all day is research for you guys so I can make amazing videos and keep you guys updated with the latest news so you don't have to. So it's all the news in one place. If you like the sound of that, guys, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Guys, love you all. We're building the biggest, most transparency YouTube channel on the planet. And you've all been there. You guys are here now. Remember, you was there from the start. And I'm going to remember all you guys that was there from the start, that's commenting, that's liking, that's showing the support. And guys, remember, I've got a big marketing agency and I get into projects early because I give value. And guys, I'm going to start giving you guys opportunities to get in projects early. So stay with it, guys. Keep studying, keep learning, keep educating, and you will be the next Bitcoin millionaire. Peace out.